Right now.
Don't worry, they're designed to be dragged through mud. Yeah, hell yeah, you gotta let her shoot that one. You shot that big shit?
It's locked, loaded, ready to go.
Cock lock, ready to rock. Women shooting AR-15. Oh, hey, wait.
Make our own.
Don't get my face.
Just buy a shotgun, right? Buy a shotgun. ARs are hard to shoot.
First time ever shooting one.
Wait,
Look how hard they are to shoot.
What?
which eye?
Ready? Go.
Which eye again?
This one. Yeah.
Doesn't matter. Just pull the trigger. You're not really hitting anything. Wow, the blast of that fucker is nuts. Yo, do you feel the fucking wind coming from that thing?
Hold on.
There's nothing else in it.
It sure is. Shoot.
There's 30 rounds in there. You got more than enough.
What are you hitting? Are you aiming? No, don't hit the box.
Why not?
What are you doing? That's where all the skeets are at.
I thought that's what last year did.
We're telling you buy a shotgun. Remember the video? Remember the video I showed you on the way up with Joe Biden telling you to you should buy a shotgun.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
So you line.
I wish we had a shotgun that she could shoot. Damn, that's empty.
It's empty.